Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegib.com, link in the description below. Sure, I can guide you through the process of installing CUDA on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. CUDA is a parallel computing platform and programming model developed by NVIDIA for general computing on graphical processing units, GPUs. Before you start, make sure you have an NVIDIA GPU installed on your system. You can check your GPU using the following command. Now, let's proceed with the installation. Make sure your system is up to date by running the following commands. Ensure that you have the appropriate NVIDIA GPU driver installed. You can install it using the following command. Visit the NVIDIA CUDA Toolkit download page and download the version suitable for your GPU and Ubuntu version. As of my last update in January 2022, you might want to replace 11.2 with the latest version available. Install the CUDA Toolkit using the following commands. Add CUDA to your path and ld_library_path by adding the following lines to your shell configuration file, example /bashrc or /zshrc. After modifying the configuration file, apply the changes. You can verify the installation by checking the CUDA version and compiling and running a sample CUDA program. Now, navigate to the CUDA samples directory and compile the sample program. Run the compiled program. This should display information about your GPU. Congratulations! You have successfully installed CUDA on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. You can now start developing and running CUDA applications on your system. ChatGPT.